1995, the world held its breath. A 3-year-old child became a king. The youngest reigning monarch in the world. 31 years have passed. 31 years of wisdom beyond his age. 31 years of preserving culture, uniting the Turo kingdom, and carrying the weight of a crown with grace. From a child king to a visionary leader, he has walked with authorities, spoken for his people, and kept the drumbeat of tradition alive. Now, Fort Portal prepares. The drums call, the kingdom gathers, for His Royal Majesty, King Oyo Nyimba Kabamba Iguru Rukidi IV, the 31st coronation. Witness the legacy, witness history, witness the king. Ekyoto Hampango.